Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm going to show you how to crimp a crimp bead using crimping pliers. So this pair of pliers right here works really well with 2x2 crimp beads, which I happen to have right here. And what I'm going to show you before I actually do anything is the actual way that these pliers are made. So you can see they fit very nicely in my hands. And at the very tip, you're going to see two notches. The one closest to the end here is a nice oval notch, and then you've got a notch that looks much like a kidney bean, and we're going to be using both of them. So if you're not familiar with why you would use a crimp bead is a great way of securely fastening your stringing material. So I have some beading wire right here that I'm going to be using. It's 0.019, which is a great size to use with your 2x2 crimps, and I have a clasp. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting a crimp bead onto my beading wire, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead, put the loop of my clasp through the beading wire as well, and go back down through the crimp bead, and then pull it up towards the clasp. So there's just a little loop right there. Now we're going to use our pliers. So we're going to go ahead, and you'll see that the dip part of the kidney bean, the base of it, is what's going to be facing down towards your table, and that's what you're actually going to rest your crimp bead in. So if you can see right there, it's just sitting in there, and we're going to squeeze. And when we squeeze, it actually makes it so that the crimp bead is squished, and it mimics the shape of that kidney bean. So then you're going to take it out, and you're going to rotate it 90 degrees. So it sits in that front notch, and you're going to squeeze again, and that makes it fold in on itself. And there we have just crimped a crimp bead. And if we pull on it, it's not going anywhere. And at this point, what you can do is you can take your cutters and trim off your tail. And you'll be ready to go. And then you'll do the exact same thing on the other side once you've strung all your beads. So here it is again. This is your pair of crimping pliers that you use to crimp beads. And you can find these at fusionbeads.com.